I wanted to show you real quick how you are going to check the people in your group for this assignment. So I've got it in student view right now, and this is what you should be seeing. If you go over here to people and click on people, all of the people in the class will show up here. What I want you to do is go to groups, and then all of the groups are listed right here. And the way to see which group you're in is to click down. Click down. And if you notice, there's a little person next to some of the people. The computer randomly chose a leader for the group. So if possible, I'd like the leader to be able to set up the Zoom meeting or however you want to meet. If you can do it over FaceTime or you want to meet at Starbucks or something like that, however you want to do it. But this is how you're going to find out all of the people that are in your groups. Okay.